What's up everyone? Today I'm going to show you how to get better looking terminals in the Windows terminal. This can work for Windows 11 and as well as Windows 10. This can actually speed up your workflow and your software development process. Without further ado, let's dive right in. What you want to do is go to the search window and type in terminal in the panel. You'll be greeted with the terminal screen. Then go to My Posh website. You'll see a list of themes that you can choose from. But let's start with the installation by going to the Get Started. What you want to do is make sure you install Wingit App Installer. Wingit is a package manager for Windows. Now we will scroll down and you'll see Windows. Click on Windows and then go down till you see Wingit. Copy that to your terminal and run it. Another thing I want to point out, make sure you're running the latest version of your PowerShell. I had ran into a bunch of errors of saying the path not found, etc. But you will want to upgrade your terminal. So you want to go to this path. But doing that, you got to make sure you select your theme that you want. And I would go into Notepad, copy this path, and in the URL, select the theme, the ending of what you want. And then go back into your Notepad, just replace the text and replace it with that JSON and save it. Type in the .profile and it will update your terminal. And as you can see, the My Posh theme is now ready to go. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe. I'll be breaking down software development concepts and sharing things I wish someone told me when I was starting out. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.